Assalamualaikum class, how are you? Hope you are fine. जी क्लास बाकी हमारे चैप्टर जो हैं वो कवर हो चुके हैं. टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट चैप्टर नंबर 11. The title of the chapter is Professionalism at Work. Business etiquettes, ethics, teamwork and meetings. इस चैप्टर को ये हमने स्किप किया था ताकि हम अगर एंड पे हमारे पास टाइम होगा तो हम इसको देखेंगे. ठीक है, पहले हमने बाकी चीज़ों को कवर किया. लेट्स सी. Number one point is developing professionalism and business etiquette skills at the office and online. Good manners and business-like professional demeanor are among the top skills recruiters seek in applicants. Employers prefer courteous and professional job candidates over those who lack these skills and traits. With a potentially global audience watching, you can choose to project a positive professional image or you can embrace yourself for years to come. A journalist sum up the danger of overexposure. Life's risk ruin from ill-considered pictures or utterances passed on and preserved for eternity. However, can you learn how to be courteous, civil, and professional? Okay. The need of the art is to be civilized, to be courteous. यानी हमें आजकल के दौर में हमें सिविलाइज्ड होने की ज़रूरत है, प्रोफेशनल होने की ज़रूरत है, कर्टियस होने की ज़रूरत है. यानी हम किसी भी फील्ड में अगर हम मूव करते हैं तो बेसिकली हमें ये स्किल्स आनी चाहिए. Understanding professionalism at the cost of incivility. The term professionalism and its synonyms such as business etiquette or protocol, soft skills, social intelligence, polish and civility all have one element in common. ठीक है, यानी जो प्रोफेशनलिज्म की टर्म है या इसको हम बिजनेस एटिकेट्स भी कह सकते हैं, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स भी कह सकते हैं या इंटेलिजेंस भी कह सकते हैं. ये बहुत सारे इसके लिए नेम हैं. तो ये आजकल के दौर में ये चीज़ें कॉमन है. दे डिस्क्राइब डिजायरेबल वर्क प्लेस बिहेवियर. Businesses have an interest in employees who get along and deliver positive results that enhance profits and boost the company's image. In the digital age, professionalism also means maintaining a positive online presence, a subject we discussed. As workloads increase and face-to-face meetings decline, bad manners are becoming alarmingly common in the American workplace. ठीक है, जैसे कि फेस टू फेस जो है वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें अब कम होती जा रही हैं, हर चीज़ ऑनलाइन होती जा रही है. तो ऐसी सूरत में जो मैनर्स हैं, जो एटिकेट्स हैं, वो भी एक किस्म का intense शक्ल अख्तियार कर चुके हैं. One survey showed that 70% 1% of workers said they had been insulted. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे इसको अंडरलाइन कर लें कि ओवरऑल जो रिसर्च की गई है उसमें तकरीबन 71% जो वर्कर्स हैं वो कहते हैं that they have been insulted, क्योंकि इंसल्ट की गई है. Demeaned, ignored or otherwise treated disrespectfully by their co-workers and supervisors. Employers, of course, suffer from the resulting drop in productivity and exodus of talent. Employees too suffer. They worry about incidents, think about changing jobs, and cut back their efforts on the job. Another study showed that 12% of employees leave their jobs because of bullying and other uncivil acts they have experienced. The average cost of replacing each of these disgruntled employees is $50,000. Not surprisingly, businesses are responding to increasing incidents of desk range and cyberbullying in American workplaces. They worry about incidents, think about changing jobs, and cut back their efforts on the job. Another study showed that 12% of employees have their job because of bullying and other incivility they have experienced. Okay? Not surprisingly, businesses are responding to increasing incidents of desk raid and cyberbullying in American workplaces. Many organizations have established protocol procedures or policies. Following a few traits and skills that define professional behavior to foster पॉजिटिव वर्क प्लेसेस. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कुछ आपको टिप्स दी जा रही हैं कि किस तरह से आप प्रोफेशनल बिहेवियर को आप अडॉप्ट कर सकते हैं. नंबर 1 इज सिविलिटी. Management consultant Patricia Mr. Buhler defines rising incivility at work as behavior that is considered disrespectful and inconsiderate of others. The editors of Wikipedia, the free online encyclopedia, clearly defines undesirable behavior as follows. Incivility consists of one or more of the following behaviors. Any incivility में दस जाल behaviors हो सकते हैं. Personal attacks, rudeness, and disrespectful comments that are disruptive. जी इसमें इनसिविलिटी में आ जाएगा पर्सनल अटैक्स, रूडनेस एंड डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल कमेंट्स that are disruptive, causing stress and conflict. The largest wiki ever created wants to ensure that it's more than 77,000 active contributors treat each other with consideration and respect. Then polish. You may hear business people refer to someone as being polished or displaying polish when dealing with others. In her book with the telling title Book and Polish, a practical guide to enhance your professional image and communication style, corporate trainer Catherine J. Wallen addresses making first impressions, shaking hands, improving one's voice quality, listening, presentation skills, and more. You'll find pointers on developing many of these traits of a polished business professional in this textbook and also in the communication workshop at the end of this chapter. ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक ऑथर का नेम दिया गया है जिसने एटिकेट्स पे यानी प्रोफेशनल बिहेवियर पे प्रोफेशनल एटिकेट्स पे एक बुक लिखी है जिसमें वो तमाम चीजें डिस्कस की गई हैं. बिजनेस एंड डाइनिंग एटिकेट्स, इसके अलावा बिजनेस और डाइनिंग के एटिकेट्स भी हैं हमारे पास. प्रॉपर बिजनेस attire, dining etiquette, and other aspects of your professional presentation can make or break your interview. ठीक है, यानी अगर आपके जो एटिकेट्स हैं बिजनेस के हवाले से हो या डाइनिंग के हवाले से, वो आपके रिलेशनशिप को बना भी सकते हैं और उसको ब्रेक भी कर सकते हैं. Even a seemingly harmless act such as sharing a business meal can have a huge impact on your career. In the words of a Fortune 500 executive, eating is not an executive skill, but it is especially hard to imagine why anyone negotiating a rise to the top would consider it possible to skip mastering the very simple requirements. What else did this skip learning? This means that you will be judged on more than your college bred expertise. Okay? उसके बाद आ जाता है सोशल इंटेलिजेंस, यानी सोशल जो इंटेलिजेंस है उसको हम किस तरह से डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. Occasionally you may encounter the expression social intelligence in the words of one of its modern proponents. It is the ability to get along well with others and to get them to cooperate with you. ठीक है, यानी सोशल इंटेलिजेंस क्या है कि आपके अंदर ये क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए कि आप सोसाइटी के साथ कॉपरेट किस तरह से कर रही हैं. In the words of one of its modern proponents, the ability, okay, so underline करने what is social intelligence? The ability to get along well, the ability to get along well with others and to get them to cooperate with you. Social intelligence points to a deep understanding of culture and life that helps us negotiate interpersonal and social situations. दिस टाइप ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस कैन बी मच हार्डर टू एक्वायर देन सिंपल एटिकेट। यानी अगर हम सिंपल एटिकेट सीखते हैं तो वो एक इजी वे है, लेकिन जब हम सोसाइटी में मूव करते हैं तो उसमें हमें हर तरह के एटिकेट्स को सीखना पड़ता है। बिजनेस के हवाले से एटिकेट्स और हैं, घर के हवाले से और हैं, सोशल सिनेरियो में अगर आप निकलते हैं तो उसमें एटिकेट्स और हैं। उसके बाद आ जाइए सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, इसको भी अंडरलाइन कर लें ऑब्जेक्टिव के हवाले से। सॉफ्ट स्किल्स क्या है? परहैप्स द मोस्ट कॉमन डेफिनेशन ऑफ important interpersonal habits is soft skills as opposed to hard skills, a term for the technical knowledge in your field. In a survey of managers, more than 60% cited soft skills are more important than hard skills. And social media skills, ये आपने परसेंटेज इसकी नोट कर लेनी है ऑब्जेक्टिव के हवाले से। The top three of soft skills on the manager's wish list were the ability to prioritize work, a positive attitude, and a teamwork skills. Employers want managers and employees who are comfortable with diverse coworkers, who can listen actively to customers and colleagues, who can make eye contact, who display good workplace manners, and who possess a host of other interpersonal skills. Okay. Simply put, all these attempts to explain proper behavior at work aim at identifying traits that make someone a good employee and a compatible coworker. यानी वही चीज दोबारा के एटिकेट जो है वो आपके अंदर ये एबिलिटी पैदा करते हैं कि आप किसी भी लेट्स स्टार्ट कम्युनिकेशन फेस टू फेस ऑन जॉब, यानी जॉब के दौरान आप फेस टू फेस जो कम्युनिकेशन करते हैं। वी हैव लर्न दैट ईमेल इज द प्रेफर्ड कम्युनिकेशन चैनल एट वर्क बिकॉज इट इज फास्टर, चीपर एंड इजियर देन टेलीफोन, मेल और टेक्स्ट। You also know that business people have embraced instant messaging, texting, and social media. However, despite its popularity and acceptance, communication technology can't replace the richness or effectiveness of face to face communication. Imagine that you want to tell your boss how you solve a problem. Would you settle for a one dimensional phone call, a text message, or an email when you could step into her office and explain in person? फेस टू फेस कन्वर्सेशन हैज मेनी एडवांटेज, ठीक है, यानी इसके कुछ फवायद हैं। वो क्या है? इट इज द richest communication channel because you can use your voice and body language to make a point, convey warmth, and build rapport. You are less likely to be misunderstood because you can read feedback and make needed adjustments. In conflict resolution, you can reach a solution with fewer misunderstandings and cooperate to create greater levels of mutual benefit when communicating face to face. Communicating in person remains the most effective of all communication channels, as you can see in the figure. यूजिंग योर वॉइस एज कम्युनिकेशन टूल, ठीक है। उसके बाद हम देख सकते हैं कि अपनी वॉइस को कम्युनिकेशन टूल के तौर पर आप किस तरह से यूज कर सकते हैं। Studies suggest a strong correlation between voice and perceived authority and trust. Respondents typically favor lower pitched voices in men and higher, but not shrill female voices. A voice carries so much non-verbal meaning that celebrities, actors, business executives, and everyday people consult coaches and speech therapists to help them shape bad habits or avoid sounding less intelligent than they are. You too can pick up valuable tips for using your voice most effectively by learning how to control your pronunciation, voice quality, पिच, वॉल्यूम, रेट एंड एम्फेसिस। यानी आप अपनी आवाज को कम्युनिकेशन टूल के तौर पर इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। यानी आपकी आवाज के अंदर जो उतार चढ़ाव है, जो नरमी है, जो कर्टसी है, उसकी क्वालिटी है, उसका वॉल्यूम है, रेट है, इन सब की मदद से आप अपनी कम्युनिकेशन टूल उसको बना सकते हैं अपनी वॉइस को। Pronunciation. Proper pronunciation involves saying words correctly and clearly with accepted sounds and centered syllables. You will have a distinct advantage in your job if you pronounce words correctly. How can you improve your pronunciation? The best ways are to listen carefully to educated people, to look words up in the dictionary, and to practice. Many online dictionaries provide audio files so you can hear words pronounced correctly. यानी प्रोनाउंसिएशन जो है ये भी एक बेस्ट टूल है कम्युनिकेशन का। यानी अगर आप वर्ड को अच्छी तरह से प्रोनाउंस कर सकते हैं तो डेफिनेटली इसका इम्पैक्ट जो है वो अच्छा पड़ेगा। उसके बाद आ जाता है वॉइस क्वालिटी। तो क्वालिटी ऑफ योर वॉइस sends a non-verbal message to listeners. It identifies your personality and your mood. Some voices sound enthusiastic and friendly, conveying the impression of an upbeat person who is happy to be with the listener. However, voices can also sound controlling, patronizing, slow-witted, angry, bored, or childish. This does not mean that the speaker necessarily has that angry, bored, or childish. This does not mean that the speaker necessarily has that attribute. It may mean that the speaker is merely carrying on a family tradition or pattern learned in childhood. To check your voice quality, record your voice and listen to it critically. It is projecting a positive quality about you. Do you sound professional? ठीक है, ये नहीं आपकी वॉइस की क्वालिटी जो है वो भी अच्छी होनी चाहिए, स्पीच इतनी अच्छी होनी चाहिए कि जो लिसनर्स हैं उनको अच्छी तरह से समझ आ जाए। उसके बाद पिच। Effective speakers use a relaxed, controlled, well-paced voice to attract listeners to their message. Pitch refers to sound vibration frequency, that is the highness or lowness of a sound. Voices are most engaging when they rise and fall in conversational tones. Flat, monotone voices are considered boring and ineffectual. ठीक है, आज तक उसके बाद हम देखते हैं वॉल्यूम एंड रेट। द वॉल्यूम ऑफ योर वॉइस इज द लाउडनेस और द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ साउंड। This said, you adjust the volume on your MP3 player or television set. You should adjust the volume of your speaking to the occasion and your listener. ठीक है, उसके बाद हम जिसका MP3 player पर अपनी वॉइस को एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं, इसी तरह हम अपने वॉल्यूम को, उसकी लाउडनेस को या इंटेंसिटी को भी हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। Rate refers to the pace of your speech. If you speak too slowly, listeners can become bored and their attention can wander. If you speak too quickly, listeners may not be able to understand you. यानी अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा आहिस्ता बोलते हैं तो डेफिनेटली जो listeners हैं वो नहीं सुन पाते, और अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ बोलते हैं तो डेफिनेटली तब भी जो listeners हैं उन्हें तेज़ी में समझ नहीं आती। उसके बाद आ जाइए most people। अच्छा, यहाँ पे देखिए, if you speak to most people normally talk at about 125 words a minute। एक मिनट के अंदर 125 वर्ड्स हैं वो बोल सकते हैं। Monitor the non-verbal signs of your listeners and adjust your volume and rate as needed। उसके बाद आ जाते हैं emphasis। यानी emphasis होना चाहिए किसी चीज़ पे आप कितना जोर देते हैं। By emphasizing or stressing certain words, you can change the meaning you are expressing to make your message interesting and natural. Use emphasis appropriately. Some speakers today are prone to up talk. This is a habit of using a rising inflection at the end of a sentence, resulting in a sing-song pattern that makes statements sound like questions. Up-talk makes speakers seem weak and tentative. Their messages lack authority on the job. Managers wishing to sound confident and competitive avoid up-talk। ठीक है, यानी up-talk से लोग जो है वो अवॉइड करते हैं। emphasis होना चाहिए, आप किसी चीज़ पे कितना emphasize उसको करते हैं, कितना फोकस करते हैं, यानी स्ट्रेस किस चीज़ पे देते हैं। समटाइम हम स्ट्रेस के अगर आप लिंग्विस्टिक के मीनिंग में देखें तो समटाइम हम स्ट्रेस